Hello students of class 8, welcome back to your English class. Today I'll start with your main course book Gulmohar, Unit 1, The Boy Who Broke the Bank. Children, The Boy Who Broke the Bank is a short story written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He wrote one of his first short stories, Untouchable, at the age of 16 in 1951. He is considered to be an icon among Indian writers and children's author and even a top novelist. He wrote his first novel, The Room on the Roof, when he was only 17 years old. The Boy Who Broke the Bank is a very interesting story written by Ruskin Bond. This story relates to the murmuring, that means grumbling, of a sweeper boy Nathu about his irregular payment of salary by his master. Master is the owner of the bank. It gradually takes the shape of a rumor and results into the collapse of a bank. In the end, Nathu, who is whole and soul responsible for this rumor, wonders about the incident. So the story goes like this. Seth Govind Ram owns a bank at Pipalnagar town. The bank is financially very sound and has won the trust of the depositors. Trust means faith. Faith of the depositors. And who are the depositors? The person who has account in the bank is a depositor. Nathu is the sweeper in the bank. One day, while sweeping in the bank, he grumbles about the irregular payment of his salary, as he doesn't get his salary on time. Sitaram, the washerman's son, comes to know about Nathu's complaints. In his loose talk, he conveys this to his customer, Mrs. Srivastava. Sitaram says that the bank doesn't have money to pay his employees. Mrs. Srivastava misunderstands Sitaram's statement. She believes that the bank is about to collapse. What do you mean by collapse? That means will shut down due to poor financial condition. This rumor spreads like wildfire in the entire town. The customers, in shock, demand their money back. They started stoning the bank building and even break the glasses. So stoning means they started throwing stones and broke the glasses of the bank building. The next day, when Nathu goes to the bank for his duty, what was his duty? To sweep the floor. He finds a lot of broken glasses and stones on the floor of the bank. He is shocked to see the sight. Again, he starts grumbling and is full of anger. Why? Because the bank is not paying him regularly and even taking extra work from him. This whole episode was a mystery for Nathu, and the story ends here. Children, this story is basically about how rumors and lack of communication can cause many problems. It can even lead to destruction. That's all.